Happy Valentine's to all of you, my beautiful ladies. Hello my beautiful ladies, welcome to my channel. My name is Oksana. Thank you very much for clicking on this video. And today, before I'm gonna do my unboxing, because from the title of the video you know that I'm gonna do unboxing of my Valentine gift, I wanna tell you all happy Valentine's. I want to tell you all that you are beautiful, you're unique and special and in your own way, and don't let anybody ever make you think otherwise. Remember, you are a beauty. Thank you very much once again for clicking on this video, and today's video is extremely exciting for me. I'm gonna unbox for you my first ever Fendi bag, and this is Fendi Peekaboo in extra light style. And today you can see celebrating a Valentine Day, I dressed in red. It's not quite often you can see me dressed quite provocative, I would say, because mostly I'm trying to dress quite classy, and provocative style is definitely not mine, but we are celebrating Valentine. So let me start with unboxing of my beautiful Fendi Peekaboo. Here is the box, and I got this bag from website. So, and to be frank, I always say whatever happens in life usually happens for the best. I already filmed this video, but there was something wrong with my camera. I didn't focus properly, so pretty much I have to videotape it again. But it gives me, like, this is pretty much not true unboxing. I put everything back just to show you how it was when it came from the website. So that's roughly how it was. Okay. Documentation has fallen. So that was actually the receipt and some of the documentation that came from the website, but that's approximately how it came from the website. So let me just put the box away. It's going to be much easier. And here is the beautiful dust bag. It's quite good quality of the dust bag. You can see it's 100% cotton. So, and here is my bag. Ta-da! It's my Fendi Peekaboo in extra light regular size, and it's funny because they call it regular size, but it's actually smaller from the two that introduced. This bag was introduced in fall winter 2018, and it's absolutely gorgeous. I think it's a better version of medium size Fendi Peekaboo. It was just yesterday when I watched video of Bargain Hunting Blonde. I actually gonna link her video below, because she was saying that she wants to sell her Fendi Peekaboo in medium, and the reason for that, because she said it's quite slouchy and it doesn't stand properly. When you put it on the surface, it's kind of flipping over. This is quite opposite of this bag. This bag has quite a nice structure. The leather is fairly thick, and because the base is actually wider than standard medium size, but the length is smaller and the height is small, so it's almost impossible to tip this bag over, and it's definitely lighter. That's why they call it extra light. So I'm gonna quickly remove all the tissues from the inside, and gonna quickly show you the bag itself, and I'm gonna do my modeling shots as usual. Actually, in fact, I already taped my modeling shots before and they were okay, so I'm gonna include those modeling shots, but obviously the video is the new. So that's how the bag looks like. Inside it's just one open compartment, and it's completely leather lined. What I like about this bag, on the back side you can see it's actually Fendi Zucca print, and it's in a coated fabric. So it's very, very stylish, and I actually like that it's in a brown color, because this brown color kind of gives the complement of this bag even better. They came up in the regular size once again, and remember, I have to repeat myself, regular is actually smaller size. So they came up with this brown color, they came up with the red and white, and I think the brown color is absolutely stunning. So obviously it's featuring the Fendi classic turn lock, and that's how it looks like when you turn it. The strap is detachable, so obviously if you want, you can substitute this strap to some other Fendi straps, but I actually like this strap so very, very much, because it's a fabric and it's very soft, so it molds quite nicely on my shoulder. And as I said, I was actually disappointed at the beginning when my first video didn't work out, but now I'm actually glad, because I already had a chance to try this bag like a few times, and I absolutely love it. Let me go over the measurements, so just to give you an idea the difference between old style medium and extra light regular. So this bag comes in the measurements 12 inches across, 10 inches in height, and 6 inches in the width at the bottom. Comparing to old medium style is 13.2, so it's almost inch and a half wider at the bottom. It was 10.4 in height, so once again it's almost half inch taller in the width, but at the bottom it was actually only 4.8, so it's way skinnier at the bottom. So that's why it was wider, taller, but skinnier. So when it stands, and it had that very heavy middle compartment, so when it stands it was kind of slouching and folding over. This one, because the base is wider, so it's very easily can be you know, set. And one more things I want to show you before I'm gonna proceed with my modeling shots. I actually try inside this one my Speedy 25 organizer. Just give me one moment. So this is my Speedy 25 organizer from my Speedy Azure, the lighter version. And when I put this organizer inside, it's actually a perfect fit. So just to give you an idea of the size of this bag, Speedy 25 in organizer fits absolutely perfectly. Now when my modeling shots are running, I just want to give you my peace of mind on Fendi and this specific bag. In the latest like several months, I kind of fallen in love with Fendi. You know, I got my Fendi dress and I got lots of wear out of this dress, and I continue wearing this dress. I think it's so classy, you cannot go wrong with this dress. When it comes to my first Fendi bag, though I had few kind of like, you know, try on, I thought maybe I'm gonna get Can I, but at the end I decided I want to go with Fendi Peekaboo. If I want to get my first bag from Fendi, it has to be a classic, so I want to go with Fendi Peekaboo. At the same time, when I look at the Fendi Peekaboo Mini, it's gorgeous bag, I like it so very much. What I don't like about that bag, it's the strap itself. I find for the price of the bag, it's too casual in my very, very humble opinion. I think it's too casual, but I mean, obviously you can buy different straps that you can use it, but I mean, for the cost of the bag and buying an additional strap, it's quite pricey, let's put it this way. And on top of everything, I have so many bags right now in my collection which is small or mini, and I'm very, very limited in the options of the bag, which is kind of not even large, but medium size. I want something that kind of in the medium large size of the bags, and I think this bag is absolutely perfect in the size of in the sensation of the size. As I said, at the bottom it's 12 inches, which is like 30 centimeters. In the height it's 10 inches, which is 25 centimeters, and in the width it's 6 inches, which is 15 centimeters. And it's, like as I said, Samorga Organizer of Speedy 25 fits absolutely perfectly. So it's pretty much like a Speedy 25, but slightly like taller. So like, let's say if I want to put some scarves or gloves or etc., I have little bit of more space at the top. The other very important point about this bag, because it's missing that middle metal bar that to divide the bag into different compartments, because it's just a one compartment. It has more versatility what kind of items I can fit inside. It's lighter, it's definitely lighter, but as I said, somehow it's more sturdier because that heavy metal bar doesn't bring the bag down. So overall, I absolutely adore it. I think in the close future I'm gonna do a video what's inside my bag, and hopefully gonna wear it as much as possible, because I think the color is absolutely classy and versatile. You can wear it with everything. Ironically, I just did unboxing of my Hermes bracelet, and ironically, believe it or not, but the Hermes bracelet, it's almost identical color to Fendi Brown. The only difference, obviously, the Fendi has gold hardware, and my Hermes bracelet has palladium plated hardware, but I don't mind. It actually gives a little bit of versatility to this combination. So that's my new bag. If you have any question, guys, in regards to this bag, because it looks like there isn't really much information on the YouTube in regards to this bag, please do not hesitate. You know, put your questions below, comment, and I will definitely answer your questions if it's up to my knowledge. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that you like my new bag so very much as I do. Once again, guys, have a happy Valentine's Day, and I think this day should be not about only love between partners, like husband, wife, boyfriend, girlfriend, boyfriend. It doesn't matter. I think in this day also we have to celebrate love between brother and sister, mother and daughter, mother and son, father and daughter, father and son. It's all about a love, and I hope that love is in there all around you. Enjoy these precious moments of love. I hope to see you again on my channel. Thank you very much for visiting my channel. Thank you very much for continue supporting me, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Bye bye.